Right, now we've done all the rivets, this is what we're left with. You'll note what I've done now is I've actually cut the access text off this edge here, just leaving enough, I don't know if you can see that in that picture, to allow us to glue that to the actual airframe structure along here, going back down. So the way we do that is firstly by getting our heat gun, or heat iron as we should properly call it, and then basically where that former there starts, and just below that former there, that stringer there, sorry, we need to just gently line it up with the bottom of the stringer and the edge of the former and tack it into place, and then gently stretch it along the entire length of the model. And my lead's not too, just bear with me a second, I'll allow myself enough lead, and then with the other end again lining it up to the bottom of the balsa stringer, apply and tack down this end here. So that gives us our basic line. Now then what I do is I gently work along, and every few inches just line it up and place a tack in, just ensuring that we're keeping everything straight, and continue that until the end. Okay, once we're happy that it's all in line, just stand back and have a check, and then what we can do, holding our iron, we can just run along and seal everything into place. You'll notice as I'm doing this, well, you may not notice, I might be too far away for this, but you can see there's a bit of a shadow. You can see this is just lifting up slightly. That's okay, that's what we want, because that will help us when we come to do the stitching. Again, it's just basically at a low heat at the moment, just ensuring that everything's tacked and sitting nicely into place. If we find we have any problems, it's still a light enough tack that we can remove it and reposition it. Okay, that's that one there done. Now the next thing to do is to place our lower one in position. Again, this will probably need to be pulled up again, but it's only, as you can see, if I just come here, it's only a light tack, we can peel it off if we need to. Okay, I haven't put it up for the full temperature yet. Right, just placing our iron down for a minute. We get the other length, and again, this one I've left a little bit longer at the moment, but we want to stagger the actual, so basically this eyelet here sits in between these two eyelets here. I'll try and zoom in a bit to show you what I mean. Okay, so what we want is this first eyelet here to sit in between these two eyelets here. Once we've got that, then everything will run down on a diagonal as it should, as we've pre-measured. Okay, right, just bear with me a second.